Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the latest process for successfully registering and creating your very own global QQ account on your mobile device. To begin, navigate straight to your official mobile app store. Search for the Authentic QQ application and download it directly onto your smartphone hardware. Open the app up. Tap the blue registration button located at the bottom of the screen and immediately tap the country code selector to choose your specific international dialing prefix. Carefully input your mobile phone number without the leading 0. Check the small circle icon to officially agree to the standard privacy policy terms and hit the Next button to trigger a security puzzle. Complete the slide verification jigsaw puzzle accurately to authorize the system to send a unique multi-digit confirmation SMS code directly to your mobile inbox. Quickly copy that security code from your text messages, paste it right into the empty verification fields inside the application, and then set up a highly secure alphanumeric profile password to completely finalize your account initialization. Subscribe the channel for more videos.